Hi guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration B, a manufacturing company sells a product for ₹1,000. The competitors are likely to reduce the price by 15%. Therefore, the B needs to respond aggressively by reducing the price by 20%. And B expects an increase in sales quantity from 1,50,000 to 2 lakh. The required rate of targeted profit is 10%, and then in this question they have given some of the details of the product on which we have particulars, existing cost and targeted cost. So we have that materials, that labors, that machine cost, and then the total direct manufacturing cost, then other costs are given. So in this question we have given existing cost and targeted cost also. Then the manufacturing overheads are allocated using relevant cost drivers. So in this question we need to find the cost drivers, and then other costs are also given as research and design cost as ₹15 and manufacturing and customer cost as ₹130. So the total cost will become ₹180. And in this question the requirement is targeted cost per, we need to find the targeted cost per unit as per the proposed volume, which is 2 lakh rupees. Okay, and also we need to prepare a targeted profitability statement. So I'm going directly for the solution. So first I have written a table on which we need to find the targeted cost. For computation of targeted cost, we have the targeted price as ₹1,000. So in this question it is given that the manufacturing company is decide to reduce the price by 20%. So we need to take 1,000 to 100% minus 20%, which is 80%. So 1,000 into 80% gives 800 rupees. So the selling price would be 800 less targeted profit. Targeted profit is 10% of 800, which gives 80 rupees. When we deduct 80 rupees from 800, we will get 720 rupees as cost. So targeted cost per unit is ₹80. So we need to allocate every cost of this product in this 720 rupees. So again I have made another table on which we have two columns, particulars and targeted cost amount, and we need to compute the targeted cost. So in this question it is given as direct material as 385, that labor as 15, as well as direct manufacturing cost as 60. Therefore the total cost will become